Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm here with my friend Paula, and today we're going to be doing a backstage video here in Big W. Super cool with the hotel. Where's the sun? El sol, ¿dónde está?
I don't know where's the sun. O hay mucho sol o se va completamente, pero sí.
And we're going to start. She wants to be part of it. También quiere ser parte del video. Yeah, girl. No, we're good. ¿Cómo estamos? ¿Bien?
Bien, bien.
Sí.
Aquí. Sí, a mojarnos.
We are going to get wet. It's kind of cold, ¿no? ¿Qué tal el agua? ¿Quieres probar en cámara? Let's try. Let's get a reaction. ¿Qué tal? It's cold, though. It's cold, but that's good because that means there no hay mucha gente en el agua.
Sí.
They're all staying on the sand, so.
Pero bueno, tengo toallas y tal, así que luego rápido.
We're ready. We have towels, we have everything. So we're gonna get in here, guys. We're gonna get in the water today. Last time I shot with my friend, there were so many waves, so it's cool today. We're gonna smash it. It's cold, you guys. The water is cold. Yes, let's try. Sí, para practicar antes. One sec. Yeah, stay like this. Perfect. And like holding this here back. Amazing, amazing already. One sec. Perfect. Yeah, stay there. Aha, yeah, stay there. I want that. Like this, on your knees. Sí, pero así.
Vale, por
Más. Sí.
por aquí, ¿no?
Yep.
Ya los pies ya no los siento.
Yeah, it's perfect. Oh, amazing. Stay there. Oh, yes, that looks good. Sí, aguanta. Perfect. Aguanta. Put both hands down again. Yeah.
No, soy yo que estoy.
Oh. Perfect. And just do this with this side of your hair. Yeah. Yes, perfect. Stay there. Yes, perfect. Wait, do you want me to help dip it in?
Sí, sí, espera. Pero el pelo lo hago con las manos.
Así, ¿no?
Sí.
Wow, look at that flex. That's like in the gym, no? In the gym.
Mira, se ve nice.
Yep. Oh, do that again with both hands? Yep. Yes, perfect. Stay there. Okay, awesome. Yeah, it's just like that. Aguanta. Guay, guay, guay. Yeah, stay there. Okay, boom. Y ponte seria. Yeah. Awesome. Stay there, stay there. Perfect. Oh, that looks really cool. Yeah, stay there. But let me see your face.
Uy, mira qué bonita.
I know, that looks so,
Sí.
look at that. Yes, though. That's cool too. And just like, yeah, serio, like ponte serio. See. Okay, stay there, stay there.
Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts when you say my name, but thinking of hers, I don't wanna know, don't want you to go and leave me
Even like this,
behind.
yeah, stay like this, like one hand coming up here. See, stay there. Yeah, stay there, stay there. That's a sick one. Stay like that. I want that. I'm like, no way. Stay there, perfect. Yeah, stay there. Boom. Esto me encanta como el movimiento. Así que tú haces, you just do your thing, like this, some poses, and then snap, snap. Look at this. You put it like this so you can...
No, I don't wanna see if it isn't me who's on your mind.
So, and maybe like bring this one down a little bit, the sleeve. Yep. Perfect, yes. Stay there again like this, leaning in. Yep. Perfect, yeah, stay there. It's like, come on, water. See, boom. Perfect, yes, yes. Awesome, aguanta.
There is nothing more for me to show. You're hiding to breathe, running from me. Do you really?
Say yes to that.
Wanna be in love. Halfway from home, I picked up my
Okay, so guys, now we're gonna be using the 15mm f1.8, and perfect, yes, like that. Stay there. Boom, aguanta. And let's go a little bit more like this. Oh, we good. So yes, a little bit like this. See. Perfect. Stay. Oh, yeah, stay there. There's a storm coming, you guys. There's a storm coming. Oh, aquí los abs, yes. Perfect, stay there, yeah, and maybe like bring one leg forward again. Yeah, more like this. Perfect, stay there. And then one like looking up here. Perfect, stay there. Aguanta. She's like, take it off, take it off. Okay, good. Oh, she's like, esta mola así. Yes, perfect.
but it's not your tone. Saying oh hello, who are you to call me late in the night?
Por suerte tenemos un poquito de luz
She
ahí atrás
says,
en W Hotel. Perfect, stay there. Stay there. Perfect, yes. And can you do something like this even maybe with your hair? Like, you can like en movimiento. Okay, yes, one more time. Así.
Mira, ¿eh?
Look at this. Está chula, no? Or this one.
Ujú.
Yes, that looks cool too. Yeah. Perfect. Say that. You're like,
Como like I cannot see.
I know, I can't see anything. Perfect.
I just gotta say that it's here with me and not where he might be.
Perfect.
'Cause I
Oh, me gusta con esto, porque esto es como estilo Hawaii.
Sí.
Sí,
Para ir viendo qué pose hacer, porque. Sí.
eso está chulo.
Y esa está
Yes.
muy bonita.
This one is like really nice.
Sí.
It's like a magazine.
oh no,
Eso también.